Hey hackers, what's up? Today I'll walk you through installing XFCE on SecBSD and getting a desktop environment up and running. Before we begin, quick thanks to our sponsors, Lalo and OpenBSD Amsterdam. Your support keeps this project alive. Before rebooting, make sure you have two things ready. Plug in the bootable USB drive and connect a network cable. Once the system boots from USB, you'll see the SecBSD welcome screen with 4 options: Install, Upgrade, Auto-Install, and Shell. Select Install. The installer asks for your keyboard layout. For this example, I'll use US. Next, set the system host name. Use whatever makes sense for you. I'll use secbsd.org. Now, networking. Select the default interface, usually EM0. For both IPv4 and IPv6, press Enter to use AutoConf. Set the root password. Type a strong password and confirm it. Now create a regular user. Enter a lowercase username. I'll use user. Accept the default full name and set a strong password. Next, disk selection. Choose the disk that will be used as the root disk. In my case, that's WD1. Use the default option to install to the whole disk. When shown the partition layout, accept auto layout. Now install the sets. When asked for the location, choose disk, since the USB already contains them. All installation sets are selected by default. Press Enter to continue. Once installation completes, accept the default options and select your time zone. I'll keep UTC for this example. When prompted, reboot the system. Before rebooting, remove the USB install media. On first boot, you'll see system initialization messages as services start and keys are generated. After boot completes, log in using the username and password you created. And that's it. Welcome to the Paranoid Club. Next, you'll want to configure doas.conf to install tools for your security operations. That's what we'll cover in the next video. Huge shout out to Banshee, Heartbleed, X0 Dark, Out of Creativity, and BSD Bandit. Special thanks to Chaos Computer Club, Electronic Disturbance Theater, and Exploit Team. Let's hack the planet.